How to buy ASYM token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. As you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 24,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mere investment in a safe place. As you can see, this token is under the base network. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address. Open your BitGet wallet for that. As you can see, now log into your wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, just select the base as a network from here. As you can see, now click on this plus icon. Paste the token address here. So click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token called ASYM. So after you find it, what you need to do, just as you can see, click on it, and here click on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, and make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, you'll be able to see how much you receive that token. Now here click on swap and you'll be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy ASYM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.